My name is Nic Ihmels. I live in Colwood, BC, and I've been coming to Camosun for the last 10 years, and I'm a movie boss. Well, confidence grew a lot over time from what it was until it kind of like skyrocketed and upgrading. But when I started here, I didn't really have a lot of confidence. I didn't think it would go anywhere. It was just like, I was coming out of high school, and high school wasn't really, like a lot of people, it wasn't really the best time in our lives. Well, yeah, I met a lot of my friends are from Nexus, and a lot of my friends joined Nexus because I had promoted them. Like, most of my friends are Widals because I'm a Widal, so So I met, when I moved into Wyden's school, I met a lot of friends. I want to make movies. I want to really make movies and write movies because that's what I've loved since childhood. I've always loved movies, and that's what I decided I wanted to do. I wanted to be a filmmaker. Try your hand in upgrading. I think it's really, really helpful and beneficial of learning what you want to do with your life.